Allergic rhinitis is a common condition that causes sneezing, itching, a runny nose, and congestion. One of the most frequent triggers, especially indoors, is house dust mites. House dust mites are tiny creatures that live in our homes. They thrive in warm, humid environments, feeding on dead skin cells. Dust mites are invisible to the naked eye, but they leave behind allergens in their feces and body parts, which can easily be inhaled, triggering allergic reactions. So, how can we reduce dust mites in our homes and manage allergic rhinitis? 1. Clean regularly. Vacuum carpets, rugs, and furniture with a HEPA filter vacuum. Dust surfaces with a damp cloth to avoid sending dust into the air. 2. Wash your bedding. Dust mites love to hide in your bedding. Washing sheets, pillowcases, and blankets in hot water, at least 130 degrees Fahrenheit, can kill them. 3. Control humidity. Dust mites thrive in humid environments. Keep indoor humidity below 50% using dehumidifiers or air conditioners. 4. Minimize soft surfaces. Carpets, stuffed toys, and upholstered furniture can trap dust mites. Opt for hard floors and cleanable surfaces whenever possible. 5. Purify the air. Using an air purifier with a HEPA filter can help remove dust and allergens from the air, keeping your home cleaner and healthier. Lastly, controlling temperature is important. Dust mites thrive in warmth, so keeping your home cool, ideally below 70 degrees Fahrenheit, can slow their growth. In addition to these preventive steps, medical treatments like antihistamines, nasal sprays, and allergy shots can help manage allergic rhinitis symptoms. By keeping your home clean, reducing humidity, and managing dust mites, you can significantly reduce the risk of allergic rhinitis. Small changes can make a big difference in your health.